Hi everybody, this is Vinny with ExcelDistanceCalculators.com, home of some of the most innovative and versatile Excel tools out there. What we usually try to do in a lot of our tools is combine the power of Excel with some additional tools such as Google Maps API or Bing Maps API, and some of our own coding and algorithms. So what we're trying to do today is trying to solve a very cool problems. I have a bunch of locations, a bunch of addresses around Kissimmee, Florida here, and again they can be anywhere in the world, and I'm trying to find the middle point to all of these locations, right? And they're very aptly named location 1 to location 32. So what I'm trying to do is point them on the map and find the middle ground of all of these locations. And this is very helpful for something like when you're trying to find the location of where to set up an office or things like that. This is just a very useful tool. Or a meeting point where you're trying to be as close as you can to everybody. In other words, you're trying to minimize the travel time from all the different locations that you currently have. In order to do that, this is extremely easy to do. Again, what we're doing in here is we're trying to leverage the power of Google Maps. So you'll need a Google Maps API key. It's extremely easy to set up. I've got some instructions on how to set that one up. And then we set up our locations. Again, what we're trying to find based on these locations is the middle point to those locations. Once I've set up all of these locations, all I have to do is click on calculate, and what the tool will do is it will automatically find me the middle position. And we have this as both lat and longitude, and also as an address, as you can see it in here. So if I was to find the central location to all of these locations, it would be somewhere around this area here. Not only that, but we can also map this locations and all of the additional locations on Google Maps. And I apologize, this came to the other screen in here, but the results kind of look like this, where this is the central locations, and these would be all the different points, that all the different locations that we have there. And really would be as easy as that. We can do this with any type of any sets of locations, and should be as easy as getting those locations on the tool and then clicking calculate, and the tool will do the rest. Again, as it is a Excel tool, there is nothing to install. And I also might understand that you might have some different requirements from this. This is more of a generic tool. If I can assist with any additional changes to this or any other tools that will make your life just a little bit easier, feel free to reach out. Until next time.